D of 10.3, we are given delta G mix and we are asked to plot the activity of B in two reference states, liquid liquid and liquid alpha. So let's see how to calculate activity first using delta G mix. Now let's assume omega equals to 8400 and let's rewrite the equation of delta G mix. The partial molar Gibbs free energy of B is nothing but the chemical potential of B. The chemical potential is related to activity as mu B is RT ln AB. Now the partial Gibbs free energy is given by the formula. So we will use this to find the partial Gibbs free energy of B. So we have to do a direct ordinary differential, and these are the steps on how to do the differential. So we are doing a ordinary differential with respect to xb, so we convert all xa into xb and do the differential. So this is how the differential looks like. Now we will write in terms of simple things. Now we'll cancel plus minus 1. We will expand the delta G mix. And then we are going to expand the remaining terms. So we will expand omega xa square minus omega xxb minus rt xa ln xa and xb ln xb. So we will cancel the negative and the positive terms and we are left with two terms which looks of this form. So the activity of B, we equate that to RT ln AB and we divide with RT, and then we get the activity of B as xb into exponential omega xa square by RT. Please remember this. Now we also know for a G versus X at a particular temperature, you can have two reference states for first component and two reference states for second component, and alpha and liquid are the two phases. So let's begin with delta G mix of alpha at alpha phase. So here alpha means the reference phase of composition component 1 and alpha again is a different phase of component 2. So please note this. Now we will write down the equations. So we will do for the first component x1 into the delta G of alpha and x2 into delta G of alpha. So I put the red points, which means they are the reference states, and you can see the reference states on the figure. I'll mark it and plot it from that point, so that's the reference point. And now for this second component, the reference point is given by that, and from there the graph begins. So this is x1 and x2 on the graph, so that are the things you are using in the equation. So this G1 alpha and G2 alpha, let's see where are they. So the G1 alpha refers to the point where it crosses the graphs. So those are the points. So I marked them. So I hope you understand how this reference works. Now let's go to a different reference point. So this is for first component and liquid is for the second component. So this alpha and this 0 alpha reference to the first component alpha, and you can see I have 0. I have given for the alpha phase all yellow color, and green color is for the reference state of first component, and violet color is the reference state for the second component. So these two in the flower brackets represent the first and second component reference states. Now let's do another thing. So I have given the first and second component reference states. So this is how it looks like on the graph. Now let's say we have delta G mix alpha alpha converting into delta G mix alpha at alpha liquid reference state. It means they start at these 2 points. So it moves for the second component from alpha to liquid. That is the meaning. So now let's take this and expand it. So that is alpha as you know. And for the first component, the alpha is the reference state. And for the second component, liquid is the reference state. So they are marked in violet. Now, I am inputting an extra alpha phase into the X2 component, and I have two things, G2 0 alpha minus G2 0 liquid, that is given as a phase transition. So I can write down in this form. So please remember this form. So that is equals to the yellow marked is the delta G mix alpha at alpha alpha reference state. So now for the question, we need to find the activity of B at liquid alpha reference state. So we already know, so we will do the same thing. So for the X1 component, the reference state is liquid, and the X2 component, the reference state is alpha. So here again, I will expand this as I have done in the previous thing. I'll input minus G2 0 alpha and input plus G2 0 alpha. So now I separate them. So this one, as you have marked before, this is the delta G mix at liquid with reference states for first and second component is liquid, and this I can write as X2 liquid into delta G2 0 alpha to liquid. So we will use this equation to find the activity of B at liquid alpha reference state. So from before we know, we will use the same equation to find the delta GB. So I'll input this equation into this and differentiate it. So you already know for the delta G mix liquid, this is the equation, and we have this term. So I just differentiate this term, and finally I will get, after differentiation, I'll be left with these terms. Hence, RT ln AB with liquid alpha reference equals to RT ln A liquid reference state, and I have an extra term. So that is the only difference. So we will use this to find the equation for liquid alpha reference state. So I will input the omega and the temperature 600. So I'll have this equation. So we will use these two equations which I have marked first and before to plot in MATLAB. So this is the MATLAB code, and after plotting I'll get two curves. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any comments, please do comment below and help us to make better content.